Tollens Reagent preparation, and obviously how to use it to identify whether it's aldehyde or ketone. So we want to put 2 centimeters cubed of 0.10 moles per DM minus cube silver nitrate solution to a test tube. Add few drops of dilute sodium hydroxide solution. A light brown precipitate should form. So put 2 centimeters cubed of 0.10 moles per DM minus cube silver nitrate solution to a test tube. Add few drops of dilute sodium hydroxide solution. A light brown precipitate should form. Then we want to add drops of dilute ammonia solution until the brown precipitate that was originally from the dilute sodium hydroxide, add drops of dilute ammonia solution until the brown precipitate completely dissolves. And this is Tollens reagent. That's how to make it. Now, how to identify whether it's aldehyde or ketone. Then place the test tube in a hot water bath. Add 10 drops of aldehyde / ketone. Wait. If it's an aldehyde, a silver mirror forms on the walls of test tube. We get a silver mirror as the aldehyde reduces the Ag plus ions to silver atoms, and if a ketone, nothing. I should be more explicit and saying nothing happens, no reaction, no color change, no observation. Use bromine water to test for alkenes. Add 2 centimeters cube of solution to test tube. Add 2 centimeters cube of bromine water to test tube. Shake test tube. Alkene solution. So add 2 centimeters cube of solution to test tube. Add 2 centimeters cube of bromine water to test tube. Shake test tube. Alkene solution decolorizes, not alkene. Nothing happens. And then also use sodium carbonate to test for carboxylic acids. Add 2 centimeters cube of solution you want to a test tube. Add 1 small spatula of solid sodium carbonate. If the solution begins to fizz, bubble the gas it produces through some lime water in a second test tube. If solution begins to fizz, bubble the gas it produces through some lime water in a second test tube. If it's carboxylic acid, the solution will fizz. The carbon dioxide gas produced turns lime water cloudy. Something very important though, you can only use this test to distinguish between organic compounds when you already know one is a carboxylic acid, because this test will always give a positive result with any acid. So you need to make sure that one of them is a carboxylic acid, and therefore when the test happens and you get the correct result, you know it's a carboxylic acid, because this test will give a positive result with any acid.